Hey guys, welcome to yet another fantastic video about Freeform Locs. So I'm Emmanuel from Locs, and I know I have not been around on the tube for so long. I probably also wanted to give time, for this my locks to get mature a little bit, but the real version of the fact is that really I just had to let go. I just had so much on my plate and I had other things to handle, and I'm like, okay, let's just, no guilt, nothing, no pressure, just let life happen, and then when it'll be time for me to come back to my freedom lockers, then I'll be back. So at the same time, I'm kind of celebrating my 12-month journey this month, actually last month, exactly 12 months now, and I'm kind of enjoying like the feel of it. I just wanted to give you guys an update and to let you guys that I'm still in this journey. I haven't given up, no one bit. On the contrary, when I see this, I feel even more encouraged. I feel encouraged to do even more. And I can see on the side here, I'd made these videos about transitioning from a high top. In fact, I was watching my old videos about moving from high top to a full head, and I was like laughing literally, because at the time I didn't even have something that looked like locks, and I'm like, if you're watching me at the time, you're like asking yourself, would this guy really get onto this journey? So seeing the way it has really turned out so far, I really feel comfortable with this achievement, and I just can't stop right here right now. And you can see it's taking up its form, it's taking up the form gradually, and that's how it has been. So I just want to encourage you, you're on your journey, just keep on, enjoy the flow of things. The other day my girlfriend was like, I was asking her, why don't you just start your own logs, and she was like, nah, I want to see how yours would turn out first. I want to see how it would turn out, and then it's going to encourage me to go. So some persons are probably just watching right now, and they're like, some may be expecting that you give up, and serve as an inspiration for them, because some of them have tried and they gave up because of social pressure, discrimination, and all of that. So why not just be, you could just be your inspiration. They're watching you and they're hoping you winning with your freeform log journey would confirm to them that they too can do it. Let me say this again. You winning on your freeform log journey will confirm to them that they also can do it. So don't you forget that. So you guys, you have an interesting day. Enjoy your journey, rock, and enjoy every single day of it. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.